today's theme, can you see this? It's community. Oh, the weather is so gorgeous today. It is really, really nice out. I mean, in comparison to Florida's stupid hot humidity and ridiculous weather, this is really welcoming. Where did we park? Oh, Sean parked over there. I parked here. I was gonna wait for him to wake up, but I wanna go fly now. I got my coffee. I got a little, they gave me a travel toothbrush, which is great, so I can drink my coffee, then brush my teeth, because hygiene is important. It's important. Did I not lock this last night? Fuck me. So I flew over there with Ken Herron and Sean last night, but it was really hard to see. There's a crane, a pretty cool building that I dove, but this whole complex right here, I don't know, I'm gonna fly it. I want to get all the jitters out before I go to the studio. All right, let's fly. I had no business power looping that. Oh, that was fun. Let's get to Kelly's.
This girlfriend isn't on camera. Can I just say, on the 85-inch TV in particular, I'm not actually what's worried.
Ken gives Sean a heart attack. I gotta buy my seat.
Educated 2 million other people.
Studio tour. My God, we got a wild Jonah in his natural habitat there.
That's the worst accent ever.
I know, it's fucking terrible. I may take you up on that.
Just like that. Yeah, so got an all card, then don't take it. Because I have a very limited number. Yeah.
Do we got any special spin-up shirts?
Well, you can take the hat.
I think I tore one in half. So
Shocked by that.
so the closest one is this one that's touching.
And people are like, you're like, should I do the drone again? They're like, no, my name.
Oh, the names. People are so worried.
Their shit.
Just chatting it up.
Russ talks a lot.
He does.
He's long-winded.
Me too.
He's got you beat.
Okay. Glad to hear there's somebody more long-winded than me. Well, it'll be on camera.
And let me thank you very much, Captain Drone. And for this next guest, I want to introduce with us somebody dear to my heart that has grown on me because of YouTube and because of all our common interest. What's his name? Boozy Bob? Is that his name? Oh, wait, no. We'll bring in the original Dobo. Did I screw that all up? I did. Always do. It's always me.
I'm not even really entirely sure what's happening. It's been a blur since I got off the plane. I just met this guy. His name's Bob. Is it Bob? Yeah, it's Bob.
Boozy Bob.
Bob. Anyways, he stole my beer, my Shinerbach, but don't worry, never fear. I have got Chewing the holster. These pockets on these pants that my wife bought me are amazing, but I'm not really a ventriloquist. Bob, you want to hang on. I'll slide this over to the bartender to open that. It's great. There's people everywhere that are so willing to help you. This community is great. You need a beer opening, they're right there. It's better than a bottle opener. Thankfully, they're twist off, right, Bob?
I'll relieve myself while this video plays.
That
We'll have another
we
guest
did not
afterwards.
need to hear that, Sean. We did not need to hear that.
Oh.
That was a little too much.
We all do it. It's normal.
You know,
It's-
I know,
everybody
but we
does
don't.
it.
Yeah,
It's okay. I said it in a PG way.
I know, but if you're gonna leak out, just
Leak out.
do that later. But you don't need to.
I'm not leaking out here, but I'm going to use the jar.
Right now, the viewer count is dropping. Thank you, Sean. Thank you.
All right, who
I really
wins the next
appreciate
one?
that. All right, so winner is Felix's video comes on at 1:02, so we're on board. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, the man, the myth, the legend, the guy he's not actually from Germany.
A little
Did you know
long-winded,
that?
isn't he?
He's from Arizona. Felix from Quadcopter Guide. I literally wanted to see how fast I can get it. I gotta look at the camera. Kelly's like, go look at the camera. No, I just wanted to see how fast I could catch the drone. And then it just started to become a thing. And like now that's the only way I land them. I don't know if it breaks anything. I'm not. Shut up, Bob. It's fine. It's fine. No, God, I dented his eyeball. I fixed it. I don't even know how much this puppet cost.
Video from that angle?
Yes, B.
Is this for your like my fans? Only fans?
Only fans, B.
Oh my
God. Wait,
God.
1 minute, B.
Okay. Was this?
No, that was not. That was actually in.
Ooh, man.
Shit.
Is it still running?
It's still running.
I'm
Yeah.
so glad that you.
I do
that
not.
you-
Whoa, look at that. I don't know how the hell we did not lose that. I hit that
Can you
rebar.
imagine having to go up there?
Fuck
Because
yeah.
you would, right?
Oh, I would have to. I'd have to climb that building to go up there.
Let's see that again.
And I would totally film it.
Was that you?
Yeah, I just brought it in.
Wait, am I doing? Is this it?
Yep, you're on.
Okay, this is it right here.
No, the red button. That's what I'm saying. You don't want to keep your. So hit it down. That's this arm.
Wait, it's this right here.
Yeah, that.
Arm. Okay, got it.
Good. Here goes Kelly. First time on 6S.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna buzz Sean.
With a piece in my hand and bloodshot eyes, I walked to the water for a last goodbye. He begged so much, it clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. Might makes right, so he said, when he held all the keys over our head. I lived in that grip, but now he'll learn at the end with the tables turned. Lord, forgive me. Take me on down the river where the guilt can't find a red-handed sinner. party by the riverbank. Caught a boat south, took off like a hurricane. With spotlights, dogs, yeah, the whole 9 yards. Of breathing down my neck and breathing hard. 2 weeks in a wild chase across the highways, mountains, over 7 states. Found a man at the harbor, said that he could take me across the ocean somewhere far away. Lord, forgive me. Take me on down the river where the kids can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can cry out. 'Cause I done wrong. Down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger. And long before dawn they try to find me. So take me on down.
Alrighty, that is going to wrap up SpinUp 2020. A little bit of a different trip, but hopefully you guys enjoyed all the footage, all the flying, whether you're a fan of FPV, whether you're a fan of camera drones. And I will see everybody who's going in Dillon, Colorado. I wasn't gonna go, but now I am. So there's that. Flying out here in a little bit, just wrapping up with the guys flying. And all right. I think this was a good trip, definitely successful, and it's gorgeous today. I'm not going down there this time. That's the grotto. We're not going in there this time. Sorry, Sean. We'll catch you next time. Stay original.